Shocking as it may seem, nearly 70% of businesses have experienced data loss due to accidental deletion, disk or system failure, viruses, fire, and other disasters. Imagine the crippling effect that could have on your operations. Now, what if there was a way to safeguard your digital world from such calamities? Enter Backblaze Cloud Backup. In the crowded field of cloud backup solutions, Backblaze stands out, and for good reason. It's like comparing a diamond to a pile of zircons. Sure, other services offer backup solutions, but do they offer unlimited storage? Do they boast a retrieval process as straightforward as Backblaze's? And most importantly, do they provide the same level of security? The answer, more often than not, is a resounding no. Backblaze Cloud Backup, on the other hand, offers a trifecta of benefits that make it a top choice for businesses and individuals alike. Let's delve into these outstanding benefits. The first major benefit of Backblaze is its unlimited storage. Yes, you heard that right. Unlimited. No need to worry about running out of space or having to constantly upgrade your plan. Backblaze will store everything from your most important business documents to your treasured family photos and everything in between. It's like having a bottomless digital vault. The second benefit is the simplicity of data retrieval. With Backblaze, recovering your data is as easy as pie. In the unfortunate event of data loss, Backblaze allows you to download your files from anywhere, anytime. And if you're dealing with a large amount of data, Backblaze can send you a physical hard drive with all your data. It's like having your very own digital rescue team, ready to jump into action at a moment's notice. And lastly, but certainly not least, is the security that Backblaze offers. This cloud backup solution uses military-grade encryption to protect your data. This means that your files are not only backed up, but they are also secure from cyber threats. It's like having your data stored in a digital Fort Knox. So, there you have it. With its unlimited storage, straightforward data retrieval, and robust security, Backblaze Cloud Backup truly stands out in the cloud backup arena. It's not just about backing up your data, it's about giving you peace of mind, knowing that your digital world is safe and secure. So whether you're a business owner with critical data to protect, or an individual looking to safeguard personal files, consider Backblaze. Because in this digital age, data loss is not just an inconvenience, it's a disaster waiting to happen. And with Backblaze, you have a surefire way to prevent that disaster.